Hello, tech lovers! Ready to dive into the world of futuristic AI? Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT 4.0, your new potential superpower. First off, what exactly is ChatGPT 4.0? It's the latest iteration of the AI language model developed by OpenAI. This version is not just smarter, it's also more intuitive, understanding context and subtleties like never before. Now let's explore what this AI can do for you. Imagine you're a developer looking for a coding assistant. ChatGPT 4.0 can help you debug your code, suggest improvements, and even write snippets of code in multiple programming languages. It's like having a co-developer, but one that doesn't need coffee breaks. But it's not just for techies. Writers, you can rejoice too. Struggling with writer's block? ChatGPT 4.0 can help generate ideas, craft entire paragraphs, or simply polish your prose. It's like a muse that's on call 24/7. And for the students among us, picture this: an AI that helps you understand complex topics by simplifying them or summarizing lengthy documents. Yes, ChatGPT 4.0 can do that, turning hours of studying into minutes. Moving into everyday life, imagine interacting with customer service without the wait. ChatGPT 4.0 can automate and handle inquiries instantaneously, whether it's for a bank, an online store, or your local utility service. But here's the kicker: the personalization aspect. ChatGPT 4.0 learns from interactions to provide responses that are tailored just for you. It starts to understand your preferences, your style, your needs. Now let's address the elephant in the room: privacy. With great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI has implemented advanced security measures to ensure that your data is not only secure, but handled with the utmost respect for your privacy. So, whether you're coding, writing, studying, or just managing daily tasks, ChatGPT 4.0 is here to boost your productivity and creativity. It's like having a superpower that enhances your human capabilities. In conclusion, ChatGPT 4.0 isn't just another tool, it's a revolutionary leap towards making our interaction with technology more humane and intuitive. So, are you ready to unleash this superpower in your daily life? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of technology.